here with Shannon Sizzlen Stampers, coming to you from my Southern Colorado stamp studio. And today's project is a feature project that I created for my Healthy Inspirations community class. But feel free to follow along, join in, and create your own version of this if you're not seeing it via Healthy Inspirations. So, first of all, let's talk about what is in your kit. You will have a little paper that has all of my information on it again. Please feel free to join my Sizzlen Stamper group, not just my Facebook page, but my group as well. On there, I have started posting exclusive videos that can only be seen in that group. And right now I have I'm running 12 days of videos straight in a row that all feature different gift and Christmas projects. I'm calling it my Sizzlen Holidays Craze. So you may want to check that out. And if you do decide you want to order something, I have a host code, etc. But for tonight, it's all about fun and providing a little bit of relaxation and hopefully some stress-free paper crafting fun. So in your kit, you're going to have a cello bag. And within that cello bag, you're going to have several things. And I want to show you what small things there are, because I don't want you to lose them when you take and open your kit. So you have a piece of candy. Hopefully it has stayed nice and round as possible. A Ferrero Rocher hazelnut chocolate, one of my faves all time. You have 3 gold wings. I know, 3, it seems odd. And this is going to be important to know what is what later. You have a gold sparkle stir stick that we're going to use. This little packet that's folded has 2 glue dots on it. You'll need those later. A piece of ivory and gold metallic edged ribbon. That's just gorgeous. A small little bag, clear cello bag. Then you're going to find a beautiful vanilla and metallic gold card base and a metallic, brushed metallic envelope. In the envelope are some very, very tiny things that could easily get lost, and that means you won't have as much bling on your card. These are little elements that are to be used for the card. You will have a small piece of a woven gold metallic ribbon. You will have 1 gold glitter gem, and then a few little silver, a couple, 2 or 3, I think I did 2. Silver metallic pearls. You're also going to have a snowflake, either in metallic silver or gold, and it's already been pre-punched for you, and I've also stuck on a dimensional onto the back for you. You also have a piece of gold glitter paper and a piece of just random cut paper that is gold foil words. It's from A Christmas Story. On one side, it'll be black and white on the back, but on the one side it is gold Christmas story words, which is so super fun. So for the moment, I want you to put all of those card pieces back in the envelope, and I want you to add one other thing back to that envelope. Remember I told you the wings were going to be super important? You have 3, and you have 2 that go to the same direction, okay? So one of these doubles, I want you to put that in your card envelope and just set that aside, because we're going to start with making our little angel first. So to make the angel super easy, you're going to take your candy. I'm going to actually move these slightly out of my way. And you're going to remove the brown candy wrapper, and you're going to stick the flat end. Keep the round end down here like a handhold, and you're going to stick the flat end up into your candy, and then you're going to sit that down into that little clear bag. So hopefully you can see the clear bag. So I've already got this one done, and then you're going to tie that little the ribbon around in a knot. So we've got, this is what our angel looks like so far. Now, remember those 2 glue dots. This is where they come into place. You're going to stick 1 glue dot onto the upper portion of each wing. And you're going to stick that wing against the little bit of the cello bag that is hanging down. Oh, and this glue dot I got a little too far. So you can just peel it back up and move it over closer. Just like so. And you have a cute angel. Now, this is designed to where it could be stuck into a wreath. It's great to go on top of a gift package and tie down here with some additional ribbon. And if you had some wide gold ribbon and you were tying it, if you do a loose bow, a couple of them, then it almost looks like instead you've got a skirting to your angel. These are also beautiful put into a poinsettia plant, like a little plant stick for an extra treat. So there's lots of things that you can do with these. You can also, if you choose, you can cut your the stir stick down. And if you do that, I'd advise you to cut it from that straight edge, cut from this edge, and poke that edge into the candy, the cut edge into the candy, so that you keep that nice round finish for the handhold. That way you'll have a finished looking product. Lots of things for you to do with this. So the angel wings are cut from one of our dies that's called the Detailed Dove dies, and they are beautiful. They come with a whole set, and there's a detailed wing that you can even do. There's doves and olive branches, and it's just really a beautiful, peaceful die set that goes with a coordinating stamp set. Okay, so for our next bit, we're going to make the card. So you're going to go ahead and set all those things aside. I'll lay my angel right. Oh, let's lay her right up there. Okay, so to make the card, you're going to get out all your little pieces, your little baubles and bits. Make sure you've got them all to where you know where they're at, and set your envelope aside. Now, this is an interesting card. You know, when I normally stamp and create with you guys, we get to do it in person, and so you can use the stamps. But I had to be a little creative because we are still having to meet curbside, and so this card is designed just to be very metallic and have kind of a classy, elegant feel. But you'll need to either use a stamp or just handwrite a note in there. It's also one that's not Christmas specific. It's and even the snowflakes don't look so snowflakey. You could use it for New Year's. You could use it any time of the year. It's just going to be a very beautiful card. And I'll show you another sample that I thought could even be used for a mother at the end that I didn't put the wing on. So the idea behind this is you're going to create a little bit of a collage. And I'm just laying the things out for the moment to show you what you might do with them. Let me get that. So I'm tying that little piece of gold ribbon, the little gold woven ribbon, into a knot. So we've got the knot, and we have these little banner papers that can come off of it. So you're just really kind of playing with it and deciding what kind of look do you want for your card. You know, do you want these down here? Do you even want you may not even want the angel wing on. You may just want it. I'll show you my other design that doesn't have the angel wing. How you have that extra angel wing is my husband was helping me cut the wings, and I forgot to tell him that you have to flip the die over, the paper over when you do them, so you get 2 reverses of the wings. And so I had, 50 extra gold wings. So I thought, you could make that into the card. Now here is the card I made without the angel wing. And you'll see this one, the paper just happened to have mother, mother, mother on it 3 times. And I thought, that could be a really nice card to give a mother, your mother or mother-in-law, for anything, just to say thank you in the winter or hi or whatever, just a note card. So this does not, don't think that this card has to be Christmas in your head. So you can see on this one, I went ahead and added my gold gem to the center of my snowflake. You don't have to. And I've added, I guess I used 3 pearls on mine. I think you only have 2. So just use your little bits and baubles, as I call them, and create a little collage in this lower right-hand corner. And it doesn't matter, however you do it, it will look great. People will think it's beautiful just because it's all metallic-y and fancy looking. Now, if I wanted to add my wing in, let's see, that's why you've got to know what is in that pack. I almost lost a little gem. So if I wanted, I might create something that looks a little bit more, I'm going to play for just a minute. And I think, just to give you another idea, I'm going to slice that gold glimmer into 2 at an angle. So now I can create kind of a bannered effect. And I'm going to put my snowflake right there. I think on this one, I'm going to put the knot of ribbon in the center, like so. And then I have this great white paper, and I like these words. It has Christmas trees and kissed. I don't know why, but I'm leaning toward just kind of making it a little piece right there under my thing. So once you design and kind of determine where you want your things to come out and lay, then that's when you want to go back in and adhere all your items down. And you can do that with whatever adhesive of choice you're using. Again, we'll just put a little adhesive up there to kind of mimic. I'm having these gold pieces kind of mimic a little bit of a medallion sort of look. Pull the backing off that dimensional, and it will stay right there for you. And then you're going to put a little bit of adhesive on your in the middle of your snowflake or wherever you want your ribbon to go, and just stick it on. I'm going to stick this one. It's just going to look a little different. And then for this one, I think I'm going to actually put my silver pearl beads just kind of right along there. And then I'm going to do the gold dot. Right above it. Kind of creating a little bit of a semicircle of bling there. So there is my card, this one. So 2 different versions. This one uses the extra angel wing that you have, compliments of my husband, which does give a really big pow of gold metallic on that card. This one is simplified without having it. Both are lovely, and the nice thing is they can be used for any time of the year. Another thing you could do is just, if there was a certain word you liked, kissed, you could just trim just that word out and maybe put it on your angel wing, or put it, floating up here or whatever. So you be creative, take some little bit of time and determine how you would like your card to look, how you would like that finished card to look for you. And then you're done. And it just slides into that beautiful gold metallic envelope. And so there are 2 projects for this month. I hope you have enjoyed them. I know I look forward to these classes each month, whether they're curbside on a video or whether they're in person. I miss our in-person ones so much because that's one of the funnest and best rewards that I've had from my stamping and paper crafting the last 22 years, is the relationships and friendships that I have built through it. But for now, I'll be seeing you on the video curbside chat. Bye, guys.